Have you ever seen so much snow in your life?
No!
Chains. Way to go, gentlemen. Hey.
Hey, okay, so we just had our last meeting in Sacramento. We're driving back to our friend's house in Reno to spend the night. It's currently midnight here in
Whoa.
somewhere California,
Yeah.
and it's snowing buckets outside. The boys, Morgan and Hudson, are actually outside at the front right tire.
Can't see them.
Well, they're on the other side of the car, and they're putting chains on the tires, and outside, you can kind of see it. There's like a level layer of snow on the ground that we were just playing in.
Oops, let's open this. Snow. People are putting their chains on. I think everyone's required to put chains on. Crazy. What do you think of all the snow?
I think it's awesome. I just kind of ran up and down a few times, having a lot of fun. I've seen more snow today than I have in my whole life combined, which is pretty awesome.
Wow.
Pink gloves from Walgreens coming in handy. Super
Nice.
excited.
Let's go check on the boys.
Hello. Gonna pull forward just a little bit.
Oh, okay. How's it going out there?
It's going well. You ready, Head? Head. Okay, here I go.
Keep going. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Keep going a little bit. A little bit more. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Okay.
Okay, resituate. There he is. Doing a great job. It's really dark out here. There's Sparky. Kristen still running around, taking some vid. There's the chains. Doing a good job. Get out there, soldier!
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it is so snowing. Wow!
Yeah, it does.
It's snowing so hardcore. I'm not.
There you are, you're documenting.
Well done, guys.
You guys are great.
Kristen, you should probably give them some Philippians 4:13 right now to encourage them.
Okay. Let's give her a pull forward.
Look at this kid coughing in the snow. He's got snow in his hair.
What a champ.
What a champ.
What a champ.